The new Ricoh Pro C9100 series means that professional production printing businesses can now take advantage of a new generation of heavy production digital presses. With the new platform designed and dedicated to the Pro C9100, productivity is optimized with the robust, durable design of the presses. One machine leading to printing business success, the Ricoh Color flagship model, the Ricoh Pro C9100 series. Print quality is assured with the VIXEL technology. To maintain stable print quality, the Pro C9100 series are equipped with new technology. Accurate sheet-to-sheet and front-to-back registration is achieved with upgraded active mechanical registration and auto media length feedback system. Thin and thick media up to 400 GSM, textured and coated media, duplex banner sheet printing up to 700 millimeters length, and even specialty media such as supergloss, metallic and synthetic can be printed. The Pro C9100 series, equipped with straight paper path layout, reduces stress on media and allows clients to extend their expertise to include light packaging, direct mail, books, promotional materials, brochures and business cards. The Pro C9100 series has the robust design, coupled with Ricoh's new vacuum feed paper tray and twin cartridge ports for each color, enables you to meet deadlines. High productivity of 130 pages per minute at up to 400 GSM, the Pro C9100 series delivers class-leading productivity. Ricoh is now delivering a more affordable digital color production printer that has higher productivity, greater media handling capabilities, and higher print quality than currently available. Breakthrough success.